Hey girl, hey! What's up guys? Okay, I wanted to put together this little lazy girl meal guide for you. Really just as a way to show you that no matter if you don't have time to cook, if you are just unmotivated, you can still throw something together healthy, fast, and without having to think too much. These last few months, I don't know, I've just been in a funk with my cooking. I've been very lazy. And I say lazy because I love to cook. I love using like natural ingredients and putting together recipes, but I've just been unmotivated to cook. And I believe we go through different seasons of life, right? We go through maybe times where you're strong with your fitness, strong with your nutrition, and other times where, you know, summer, a vacation gets the best of you, right? So regardless of whatever your situation is, there is still no reason why you can't at least make healthier choices and just put a little more effort. One thing I can say is that to eat this way and to be a little conscious about your food, it does take more effort. You have to be intentional. It's so much easier to just grab a croissant and go, or a piece of fruit and go, and then 20 minutes later you're starving. So you have to be intentional. If you want change in your life, you have to be willing to do something you haven't done. So if you want something you've never had, you have to be willing to do something you've never done. So a lot of people, you know, we live in a busy time, guys. We are all busy. We are all on the go. But it doesn't mean that we should sacrifice our health, you know, just our body goals because we're so busy. You know, don't be so busy making a living and doing things that you forget to live and you forget to really put time into yourself. So I hope that you enjoy this. Obviously, this meal plan is specific to my calorie count. This is just a guide. You may need a little more food. You may need less. I'm not sure. And if you want to maybe take whatever you're doing to the next level and you see like, okay, this is easy enough. I see how Lily eats. I think I can do this. And you maybe want to take it to the next level. Remember, I'm always available to help you with your fitness and your nutrition and to really help you get committed. But sometimes we just need to start, right? So these are some lazy recipes, just things that you can throw together. It's important also to keep things in your fridge that you can just throw together fast. So anyways, I hope you guys get some value out of this. I hope that this helps you to just have a little just direction on ways that you can eat. And obviously, if you don't like fish, replace it for the chicken, steak, vice versa, right? This is just to give you a guide, an idea. What else do I want to tell you guys? Sugar. Okay, a lot of people struggle with sugar addiction, sweet tooths. Guys, the only way that you can overcome your sugar addiction, you have to detox. One of the things that I did in detox, this is what I mean. I don't mean drink green juices and a tea. I mean, you need to replace the refined sugar if you're making brownies every night for natural sugar. So maybe find like a recipe that you can make like a black bean, like a chickpea brownie with maple syrup. And trust me, you get more full, more satisfied with things like that. And I have a ton of recipes that I could share with you too. So tell me if sugar is your thing, and we can also talk about that. Maybe we'll do like a sugar-free guide, something like that. Sugar addiction, something, I don't know. But so you have to replace refined sugars for natural sugars. The less you feed your body sugar, the less your body will crave it. So you do have to like have a period of time where you're being strong and you're refraining. If you eat milk chocolate, you need to move on to dark chocolate and slowly go. If you want to make a long time, I mean, if you just want to cut cold turkey, that's not going to work. We know that you're just going to like rebound or whatever. So you need to if you want to make a true lifestyle change, you just need to go slowly. So one of the things I used to do, I would get like toast, put almond butter, some blueberries, coconut or sliced bananas, a drizzle, you know, peanut butter, and that would satisfy it, and then be like, okay, that was sweet, that was yummy. I don't need a donut or a brownie or, you know, whatever other sweet is calling your name. So those are just my little tips, guys. If you absolutely like are dying for something and you feel like, oh my gosh, I need whatever it is, have it. Get it out of your system, and then rather than saying like, oh well, I had a donut, might as well just eat bad the whole day. No, you just get right back on track. So that's how you get your cravings in check, you guys. There's other days you're not even thinking about sugar, you're not even thinking of a pizza, you just want to eat good, you hold on to those days. And then the days you feel like, oh, I need something, just have it. Don't go overboard, have it, have a little bit, and keep it moving. Next meal, healthy, okay? I hope that helps you guys. Let me know what you think of this guide. I would love to hear from you. And definitely, let's keep each other accountable. I'd love to see your recipes. Tag me at Not Fat, Not Skinny if you make anything, and just tell me how it's helping you. Okay, guys, bye-bye.